What's up, YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician's channel, and once again, uncut and raw. Still don't have my stuff set up, but that's alright. I hope you guys enjoyed the uncut and raw stuff while it lasts. But today, I want to let you guys know, I do have some more videos editing and being processed, so while I'm on the road working, I can still upload something to entertain you guys while I'm on the road. So stay tuned for those. But today we got something special, and that is Bearded CB82's gift giveaway for 1,000 subs. Actually, now he is almost close to 1,100 subs, so congrats, brother. Great channel. I've enjoyed it ever since you started your channel. Not only does he create good content, but the guy is just very likable. He's just a real friendly guy, knows his stuff, and has a lot of information to share. So if you guys haven't checked out his channel, go check out Bearded CB82. I'll show you his channel here in a minute. But for his video response for his 1,000 gift giveaway, you need to make a video response, obviously, and share another channel that is under 500 subs, as well as tell him why or what you would use his miniature bubblegum toolbox for. If you guys haven't checked out his channel, he has a toolbox called Bubblegum. It's a really nice little snap-on box, and he got a miniature one for the giveaway, so I think that's awesome. But as far as the channel, I will show you guys as well when I show you Bearded CB's channel, and that's Nate's Garage. He's been a subscriber of mine for a very long time. A really friendly guy. He also does tool reviews and automotive repair videos and stuff like that, and he's got a lot of good content, but he's only around the 250 subscriber range, and I believe he deserves a lot more than that. So I want you guys to check him out. I'll show you his channel here in a minute. But as far as what I would use the miniature bubblegum for is probably, well, it could be used for numerous amounts of things, but I would probably use it for, you know, out in the garage if I didn't give it to my wife, which I don't think I would. I would use it for like pens, pencils, markers, paint markers, razor blades, maybe a precision screwdriver set, a pick set, you know, to hold all those small tools that right now I all have jammed in one drawer. This way I could keep those items, you know, better organized. And you guys all know how I love staying organized. So that's what I would use it for. Probably some miscellaneous nuts and bolts and stuff like that as well. But let me go ahead and show you their channels, and we'll continue on with the video. So this is, line you guys up a little bit better, Bearded CB82's channel. Here you can see the name of his channel. He's at 1,084 subscribers right now, so that's absolutely fantastic. Congrats, brother, on your success. Lots of good content. Here is the small miniature bubblegum that he's giving away, which is really awesome. So if you guys are interested in this, go ahead and make a video response. You have to do hashtag BCB1000 in your title and respond exactly how I am. What else? Nate's Garage. This is the subscriber I'm talking about of mine. He has 201 subscribers right now, but as you can tell, he does a lot of automotive repair, upgrades, tool reviews, Harbor Freight, organization, all that good stuff. Lots of good content on here. So check out both channels if you haven't already. Nate's Garage right here, and Bearded CB82. They both need more subscribers. They're both great channels, so I want to get them more subscribers. I do have more content coming out as well, and then I got another one of these. I'll go over it a little bit more in my next video that I post up. Another air pump. I still got to do a review on this Top Don, and then that Lot Fancy surface conditioning disc set that I got. I just haven't got around to making videos for that. I actually picked these up at work. They were going to throw them away, so I was like, don't throw them away. I mean, that's perfectly good organization bins right there. So this is what I've done with my Lot Fancy disc set. Kind of put it in there and organized it. So that little toolbox that he's giving away would be a great little addition to organizers like this. So if you guys are interested in the discs, I think these run around $20 on Amazon. It's a 45-piece set. I'll do a review on those in the near future. And then this and this will be part of my next gift giveaway. If you choose this one, my next video will go more in detail about that. But if you're interested in it and you're not the winner, I will be, when I do a review on this, I will be giving you a coupon code to get 25% off. So that's a really good deal. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to check out Bearded CB82's channel and Nate's Garage. Both of them great guys. Lots of good information. So that's it as far as today's video. Once again, thank you Bearded CB82. Great content. Enjoy it, and I look forward to seeing more content of yours. And best of luck to everybody else that enrolls in this video response, and I'll see you guys next time.